guys, it's Hannah. Welcome back to Hannah Shows. And today I have another slime. Oh yeah, my grandma's here with me too.
Hello.
I mixed all of my slimes together. Yes, but I forgot to post it. I forgot to make a video, so sorry. Next time I get a lot of slimes, I will definitely do a slime smoothie video. But this is my slime. It is sort of sticky. It is like, but it is very stretchy. Mima, could you hold the phone facing this way? So yes, this is my slime. Wait. Maybe you're pressing the power button. You're pressing the power button. Okay, you're good. Bring it down a little bit. There we go. Sorry guys, my grandma's holding the phone. Her first rodeo holding my phone. She's never done this before. It is sticky, and that's why I'm wearing this shirt, because I do not wear this shirt to school anymore. And plus, I already got slime on this shirt. This is a very good shirt. It's just at the ends, though. I'll be able to get that off, probably. Maybe not. I don't know. So, yes, this is my slime, and I did mix Play-Doh into this. Don't do it. This is how it became so sticky. They can't see the slime anymore. Turn it this way like that. There we go. So it is very sticky, as you can see. There's not stuff on my hands because I just did that. See, slime, hands. It is sticky.
And a ton of lotion and a ton of
body wash.
Body wash
and a lot of markers involved with this. But it didn't really change the color. This is like a chocolate color because I sort of, kind of, it's like a purple chocolate. But that way I get towards it. There you go.
It's not purple anymore.
Yeah, not very purple. It was clear slime until I added a lot of, what's it called, eyeshadow to it, and then it wasn't clear anymore. And then it got really not stretchy, but I fixed it by adding more slimes to it. I just made a slime today with Tide, but it did not work, and it made it it was watery, so I just added it to this one. This is not how it was when I added that one to it. It was because I added a lot of Play-Doh and body wash and lotion to it after I added that one to it. I also added glitter glue pens and a lot of glitter. So yeah. And one good tip, don't put slime in your hair. I had to cut my hair again because I got my clear slime in it.
Yeah.
Because I folded it over my hair. At first, when I just set it in my hair in it, I only put it in my hair in a little bit. It didn't get stuck. It was able to come out. But when I folded slime over my hair, it did not work.
Yeah.
I just cut it.
Where'd you cut it at?
Over here, but you can hardly notice it. You can't even notice it. See right there? It's shorter. That's where I had to cut it at. But it's not even noticeable unless I do that. So yeah, I'm gonna end this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Please hit that subscribe button if you are not subscribed, and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. If you did not like it, get a thumbs down. Bye, guys.